Hello and welcome to another how-to video from Hayes Machinery. Here I've got the M18 FOPH power unit from Milwaukee along with the M18 FOPH LTA strimmer attachment, and today we're going to show you how to change your strimmer wire in this attachment. So this Milwaukee strimmer head is one of the easiest to load on the market. Very simple, nice bright indicators, two red lines here. All you need to do, we've got a wind direction here, you rotate this round until the red lines meet up with the red line here right above the eyelet. Simple as that. Push it down to make sure it's all clear. Get your strimmer wire. For example, this one here is a 2.4mm line. This Milwaukee strimmer head will actually fit 8 meters this line in, making it a lot nicer to use and a lot easier to, you don't have to keep refilling it every 5 minutes. Push the line through to the other side, pull it all the way through, and now you need to get approximately 4 meters either side. So next step, hold the base, stop that from spinning around. You can see the wind direction here. You just follow that wind direction, and as you turn the top here, it winds up the strimmer wire. So no need to start taking the strimmer head off and springs going everywhere. Really nice and simple to do. Bear in mind, this is 8 meters worth of strimmer wire, so this will take approximately a couple of minutes to wind up. Remember, all the different strimmer wire attachments, things like that, all available on our website, hayesmachinery.co.uk. So wind up till you've got approximately 10 centimeters of strimmer wire either side. If you've got one side longer than the other, don't worry, that's what the blade here is here for. As the machine spins up, it will just chop off this strimmer wire here, so it goes to the correct length. If you ever have an issue with the strimmer wire actually going inside there, you do need to remove the head. Head's very simple to do. There's a clip that side, and the same the other side. Push them in, pop the head off, and then you can unravel all the strimmer wire, pop the head back on, and then repeat the same process. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you've now found confidence in changing your strimmer wire in your strimmer head. Remember, we have many different types of strimmer wire available on our website to purchase. We also have available our Milwaukee power unit and strimmer units. So please check out our website, www.hayesmachinery.co.uk. Please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. It's free for you to do and it helps us out greatly. Many thanks, and see you in the next one.